Chalo. Nicely. Chin up. Lift up your. Very nice. Up. Chin up. Go back. Hang your head down. Go back. Left. Up. Up. Change. 2, 3, heel. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip. 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 Turn. Turn. Pocket. Pocket. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Moira. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jump down. And 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Left. 1. 1, 2, 3. Beginning. Brush. 1. Slow. And go. 1. Ready for the Bharatanatyam? Go. Front. Go sit. 1, 2.
তুইও দুটো ঘুরিয়ে দিয়েছিস। হ্যাঁ আমি দেখলাম সবাই যেন
ওরা যখন করছে এত ভালো লাগছে যে গট লুক এট দ্যাম
One more time. 1, 2, up. Right, left, go. Sit. 2. Turn, turn, other side. One more time. Right. And 1, 2, turn. Turn. Into, no, down. 5, 6. 300. Tiny body up. Very good. One more time. Okay.
আজকে সব ছেলেরা বসে কি খাবার খাচ্ছে?
Chalo. Move out. Move out. Move out. Move. Everybody move out.
হ্যাঁ বসে কেন?
So,
আচ্ছা
so I can tell you, you can remember what I say, huh? So first, when you enter, you have to show that's baby born, okay? And goes up, and then the evil goes destroyed, and everything in your mind, every evil, you just going to get rid out of it, and start with new rhythm. Got it? So one more time, born goes up, and all evils goes down and destroyed nicely. Come forward and start with your new rhythm. Do we have the color? Okay. Next one, when you come inside, so you are in the water. Slowly, slowly going up and down in the water. Then come forward again. Tale, tale. Next one. And the third one, what was that? Photosynthesis. Sun again, water again, big tree, oxygen in your chest, and come back. Da, 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 da. Got it? That's it. So three in between, interlude and prelude. That's in three making there. Okay? Rest of the dance you know already. So start from the beginning. Chalo. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And open nicely. And all inhales. Break. And go. Come in. Up, down. Run. Quick run. Other hand. One more time. Go. Back. 10. One more time. Come. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. Can you hold on 1 second? 3 goes all the way up and put your hands up, chin up. There you go. Okay? Then the air, oxygens come to your heart and there. Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Now, do it from the beginning, okay? Quickly. Yeah, yours. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. I got it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Open. 5, 6, and all the 5, 6, 7, 10. Right. Lift up, down. Run and up, down. Other side. Over time. Go back. Now circle nicely. Center. Sama. Chin back. Now the water slowly, very slow. Very good. Next group. Come. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Now high jump. Right. One more time. High jump. Other side. And Nataraja. Other side. Left, up, change. Go. 1, 2, 3. Full circle. 2, 3, 4. Down, 2. Sun. 10. Water. Nicely. Big tree. From down. Cross your leg. And oxygen. Come. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, go. 1. Go front. Summer. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Full circle. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Go. Change. Go front. 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 1. Nicely. 3. One more time. 1. Left. 1, 2. Guided by right, left, up, down, 5, jump. Very.
All the various artists come here, so come and stay with us. So yeah, I also got to learn how to
Maharaji came here also.
fantastic, right? What an honor for us. Amazing. He's like up there, status here.
Okay, my sister fell asleep in
It's over. So that time I had
पूनम और अनु तुम लोग ये काट के दे दोगे ना वहाँ छोटे छोटे पेपर के प्लेट्स है नैपकिन है
want to eat it.
पूरा काम है जाना
Not the whole thing, but it really looks good. Hey, what kind of flavor?
Okay guys, put this together on my count. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, start.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Oh, so sweet of you.
धीमी आवाज में गाना गाते हैं।
जोर से गाओ. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm feeling.
চেয়ারটা একটু নিচে হয়ে যাবে বেশি নিচে
Thank you so much.
ওখানে একটা ছোট্ট টেবিল আছে ওটা কি ইউজ করতে পারি আমরা এই টেবিলটা ইউজ করছি এটা করছি
লজ্জা ফেলে দিচ্ছ তুমি.
আচ্ছা শুকলনন্দা can stand with all the kids and then এটাকে দেখি হাতে চিপি না খাও সরে যা কাপড় আবার লেগে 1 2 3 Okay, তুমি একটু সামনে এসো then all the kids can come around you. Come go around him, around him. Around. बड़े बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे. Come this side. Come Shukalanda's birthday on the 15th. But yes,
Thank you, thank you.
maybe I always say it all over now. Because I'm very proud of you. Guys, we have got the cake.
We'll all cut
ask,
it.
are you 1? Are you 2? অনেক টাইম You want to start, Kapu? Or do it at 10? 10. Now, Guppy short class.
Okay, we'll all blow. Okay, nicely.
1,
Chalo. 2.
Make a wish.
Ready? 5,
Don't
6,
spit on
7.
it.
Chalo.
Go! Okay, don't spray. Yeah, she was pressing on it. That's not ending.
Wait, what?
Wait.
Why did they keep getting one shot?
That's it.
All right.
Oh, that's it. Yay.
थोड़ा पानी लेके आओ।
नीचे रखो, नीचे रखो. छुरीটা नीचे रखो.
हाँ, अच्छा शुक्लानंदा, let him cut one. Then we'll cut and give you cake.
আগে ক্যান্ডেলগুলো সরিয়ে দাও ক্যান্ডেলগুলো সরিয়ে দাও
আচ্ছা সরিয়ে দেবো কি আমার হাতে জ্বলে উঠবে না মাটিতে লেগে দাও আমি ট্রাই করছি না
Rainbow kind of nice. I have no idea. What kind of flavor is this?
And it.
This is mine.
Sohili.
তুমি কি কাটলে
না কাটছে কাটছে
চলো রেডি সবাই একসাথে
না না
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shukla. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
now
This
we'll
should
get mommy's turn. আমরা এটা আছে এটা দিবে
She probably thought it were me. No,
ব্যাস বাস মান না ওইটুকু থ্যাংক ইউ
রেশমি কই আমার রেশমি
রঞ্জন মেকানিক কথা
Okay, silence. Silence. Roll camera.
দুই হাতে কালের মন্দিরাতে সদাই হাতে যাইতে ভাবে দুই হাতে কালের মন্দিরাতে সদাই বাজে শুক্তি ছুটে নৃত্য ওঠে নিত্য নূতন সংঘাতে দুই হাতে কালের মন্দিরাতে সদাই বাজে বাজে ফুলে বাজে কাটায় আলো ছায়ার জোয়ার ভাটায় বাজে ফুলে বাজে কাটায় আলো ছায়ার জোয়ার ভাটায় প্রাণের মাঝে ওই যে বাজে প্রাণের মাঝে ওই যে বাজে সুখে সুখে সংঘাতে নিত্য নূতন সংঘাতে দুই হাতে কালের মন্দিরাতে সদাই বাজে তালে তালে সাজ সকালে সাগরে ঢেউ লাগে সাদা কালোর ছন্দে যে ছন্দে নানান রং জাগে সাগরে ঢেউ লাগে তালে তালে সাজ সকালে সাগরে ঢেউ লাগে সাদা কালোর ছন্দে যে ছন্দে নানান রং জাগে সাগরে ঢেউ লাগে এই তালে তোর গান বেঁধে রে কান্না হাসি পাশে ধরে এই তালে তোর গান বেঁধে রে কান্না হাসি পাশে ধরে জাগ দিল শোন মরণ বাঁচন জাগ দিল শোন মরণ ডাইনে বায়ে দুই হাতে কানের মন্দিরাজে সদাই বাজে
Ready? Silence.
একবার এমনি পড়ে গেল না কি? এরকম হচ্ছে।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे
Water. Bend down nicely, Babu. Yes, sit here. Right cross. And 5,
তালে তোর গান বেঁধে রে চান্না হাসি গান বেঁধে রে এই তালে তোর গান বেঁধে রে চান্না হাসি গান বেঁধে রে
1, 2, 3, go! Right turn, right turn. 1, 2, right. Other side.
দুই হাতে কালের মন্দিরাজে সদাই বাজে লাইনে বাজে দুই হাতে কালের মন্দিরাজে সদাই বাজে
Very good. Sit nicely. Sit here. Okay. So, you have to remember, Babu. So, you have to remember, keep your spine straight nicely. Keep your spine straight nicely. Yes. So, you have to remember the whole dance, huh? And Anindita, Mashi, Auntie, whatever she is going to perfect you. This is not perfect. This is not done yet. It's half baked. You guys are doing good, very good, but the hand gestures, movement, expression doesn't come yet. Because only we got 3 days. We need at least 6 days. So another 3 days you are going to practice with her. And make sure it's polished, it's nice. Then I'll come back again, I'd like to see it, how you do. Okay, keep your spine position up. Nicely put your hands here. Close your eyes. And breathe in. Out. In. Open your eyes slowly. And thank you. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time again. Chalo, Chuti. I hope. Let's see. Good question.
Shona, can you all come and do pranam to Shukralanda?
That's all. That's all. दूर থেকে বলো, দূর থেকে বলো।
না করো না, করো, করতে দাও, বলো না, শিখবে না। সবাই এখন মানে over. And give a hug to all the didis and dadas. They're going back to New Jersey and then they'll be touring all over. They'll be in the US. And hope they can.
Oops. Sorry.
দাদারা সব খাচ্ছে and then please go and have cake. কাকু তোর জন্য non chocolate mango cake.
Ooh.
And Zoya and Shukralanda, এরা হচ্ছে just not দেখেন Zoya Zabrai.
Hi. Oh, how are you? Oh my God, the identical. I don't know.
শুধু চশমার ফ্রেম জানো তো
Let me see.
Wait, who's Zara? আরে ঘরে চশমা Zara চশমা খুলে নাচলে খুব মুশকিল
Oh, so cute. Okay, I like to take a picture without the frame. Without you. 6. 5, 6, right, open. Up, down, up. Join. And 2, cross. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, jump. Together. Puraba. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Puraba Paschima Ashe. Ah. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Puraba Paschima Ashe. Ah. Tavashing Nasana. 5, 6, 7, 8. Puraba Paschima Ashe. Tava Singhasan Pashe. प्रेम हार है गाथा at nivedanam गाथा one more time 5 6 7 8 पूरब पश्चिम आशे 5 6 7 go पूरब पश्चिम आशे तब सिंहासन पाशे प्रेम हार है गाथा चलो जन गण ऐक्य विधायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पद्मा जय हे जय put together जय हे go जय 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 हे चलो Takadevi. Everybody do Takadevi. 5, 6, bend down, bend your knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. Musalman Krishtani Purab पश्चिम आशे तब सिंहासन पाशे प्रेम हार है गाथा जन गण ऐक्य विधायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय
Sorry.
हे লাইটিং ভালো করছে জয় 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 So here is Bharatanatyam teacher standing. Do Arvind nicely. Do Arvind nicely and hands nicely. Chalo 5 6 Right. Up. Down. Up. 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. Very nice. Okay, we'll do it from the beginning. Very tough, huh? Ready?
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन
Nicely. Focus and Trivangi nicely. Go. Stretch your legs. Take your position. Chin up. Body up. Lock your foot. And hang your head down. Very nice. Stretch up. One more time. Stretch.
सबको सन्मति दे
Go. 2, 3, 4. Hip. Up. 2, 3. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right, right, left. Brush, brush. Bend down with your torso and bend. Take 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, take, left, 2, take, brush. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Two, three, four, one. Together, hands together. And cross. Bow to salute to everybody. And Purabo. Down. Up. Nice step. And for this. 5, 6, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. When you do Jaya, it goes from here to there. Make sure, huh? And throw chin up. Without them. You guys do it once. Chalo.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन
Nicely. Very good.
ईश्वर अल्लाह मेरे नाम
Change.
सबको सम्मति दे
Go
भगवान
back.
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम
Turn your foot.
सबको
Sit nicely.
सम्मति
Bring your head, body, and up. Go. 1, 2, 3. Heel. 2, 2, 3. Heel. Right. 2. Back. 1, 2, 3. Double. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 4. Double. 1, 2, 3. Slip. 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 Turn. Right. Left. Go. Right. 2. Right hand. 5, 6, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side, other hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Brush. Slowly. 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Center. And it's parallel, 2 hands. Cross your right foot, right hand. And hang your body down. Sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow. Bashi. 8. 5, 6, 7. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. High jump. Hey. Together. Acha. So Shoili, can you show the transform? Huh? Guys, just make half circle, then it will be much easier. Her weight is on her right knee. Left is free. So left goes back. She's shifting her weight to left. And shifting fully left. then right, then come to Sama first. Come to Sama. Sama. So, come to Sama and then turn, goes back slowly and hold your body weight on your right hand. Then press that one and get up slowly. So that is the most important part. So when you press the floor, it will be much easier. You can get up.
And your foot is out.
Your foot is not on the toe, and you're not on the toe.
No, it's toe ball. It's in toe ball.
एक part of that can slide forward.
It's toe ball and another foot is toe, proper toe. Okay, and make sure you bend your this thing and chin up and do samdansha nicely with your chin and this wrist together in the same line, and then come back with your left foot up. Okay, that is the transfer, like the weight transfer is one much important. Do it once more. Six, samatha. So 6 here and 1, chin up, 2, chin up, sama, and then turn, stay, go there, press that thing and get up. So that is the important part. And who is not sitting? Who is not sitting?
आप जा रहे हो?
Okay, thank you so much.
सीधा जरा प्रणाम करके जाएगी तुम्हें? Thank you.
Good job, guys.
तुम्हें जो
Very
जॉइन
good
करके
job.
चुका है. Bye,
Sorry.
Sita.
So this is the most important part. One thing and another thing. The toe pointed when you do this is from toe. So we have to reach that point and with your body and then go like it. So it's very important. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are here. Do it toe. Go reach that point and go there. Then you can feel the whole dance, feel the whole tune, and this is just you're asking to God. Give us that feeling. Okay. Do it once more. Last time. Chalo. Everybody has to go. And we have to go. Chalo. Last time. Turaka.
কিরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছিস এই মাথা উঁচু করে
Yes, position.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन
Trivanga nicely. Stretch your foot leg.
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको
Bend your knee.
भगवान
Left goes back. 1, 2. Sama. Up. 1, 3. Heel. 2. Nicely. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. Go. Right, left, right. Slow. Right, left, right. Slow. Left, 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 right, 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 left. 5, 6, sit, turn. 1, 2, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go back. 1, 2, 15, 2, 2, 15, 1, 2, 15, 1, 2. 15, rush. 5, 6, 7, 8, rush. 2, 5, 6, 7. Very good. I just like to show you the style here. It's very important. So first one, hand doesn't go too much. Slowly. Da ra da ra da ra da ra ra. We are here. Then this foot doesn't go too much. Just body goes back. Da ra ra da ra ra da ra ra.
সেগুলো দেখ আবার ওদের ফেস করে করবে so they can see
I'm doing it right side, huh? So you always do right. I'm doing it right because I don't do the left. 6, 7, 8. Da ra da ra da ra 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 da ra 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 da ra ra. Next one. Da ra ra da ra da ra ra da da ra ra da 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 da. Brush. Da 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 da. So that's control you need to do. That's our. Do it again, right? Chalo, are you back now? Yes. One, two, three, here, two. Go up, two, back, two. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Left, 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 left. 5, brush, slip, slip. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend down. Bend down, everybody. Bend down. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hit it, hit it, 2. Hit it, brush. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Very nice. Next one. Bend down. 2, 3. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sharp. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 5, 6. 1, so I like to finish it for today. Thank you so much, especially thanks to you. You came like I'm like that's my privilege.
Thank you. I'm always a student.
Thank you all of you, and then please practice this much, and lot of small things. So the main thing is we call in Bengali called makha. Makha means just make it tight. In Sanskrit we call rechak. Rechak means the tightness of your whole body. So that is the main concentration here. Otherwise, the movement is very nice, and the choreography when you see on stage or with the costumes it will look very different. But the thing is, the main thing is you have to make it in your own language. I think that's the best thing. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. Chalo, pack up karo. We have to go to New Jersey.
Thank you.
আবার আপনি আসবেন তখন আবার খাবো
তাড়াতাড়ি আসতে হবে
থ্যাংক ইউ Wonderful.
All the kids, please go eat cake. There is Nutella if you have any nut allergies. It's not chocolate, it's
Thank you
Nutella.
so much.
So